recent weeks, we've seen dramatic highs and lows in the stock market, and now many investors are wondering how this will affect them. Joining us tonight is Michael Pennica from Pennica Financial. Thanks for being here.
Oh, you're welcome on this non-Labor Day.
That's right. We're making you work. What can you tell us about why the markets are selling off?
You know, Abby, I would say primarily the reasons why would be, a few things. China has devalued its currency, and obviously markets don't like that. They don't like uncertainty. Also, China has come out and said that their GDP is roughly going to be about 7%. That's hard to take when you've been in the 10, 15, 20% range. So, those things are really weighing in on the market. Then you look at oil, and oil has actually dropped below 40, $40 a barrel. And at one point it was over $100 a barrel.
Wow.
So, that's pretty dramatic.
So what would you advise investors to do right now?
The main thing is, if you're a long-term investor, I would say stay the course. Don't let this unravel your plan, assuming that you have a good plan and a good strategy.
If you're thinking about retiring the next 5 to 10 years, a little closer to that, should you be panicked? Should you pull money?
No, I would say really what you need to do is reevaluate your risk. How much risk are you taking? And for example, if you think you're a growth investor and you're 5 years out, are you really a growth investor? I mean, is this, is it really unnerving for you? You need to reevaluate that risk. Get with your financial advisor or somebody that you trust also and talk to them.
And if you can answer this last question, I'll give you all the money I have.
I'll certainly do my best.
How long do you think it will be before the market is back in balance?
Oh, that's always a tough one. I get asked that one all the time. We have to understand that markets typically go in cycles of 5 to 7 years. So we've had this great, growth period from 2008 till about now. So we are due for a correction also. It's hard to say how long we'll be in this correction mode, but I will tell you typically, 6 to 12 months is what we see on average. And you have to understand, you take that with a grain of salt, that's on average.
Right.
But of course we could pop out of this sooner too, you just never know.
All right, well, we'll just hold on and enjoy the ride.
That's right.
Thanks for being here.
You're welcome.